Okay, so I wanted to take a minute to think about MoneyStream and browser sessions and monetization. There has been a lot of talk recently about monetizing content and what it means to own your own data. So I want to capture a session on how I think it will go with MoneyStream and how to make this useful to MoneyStream users. So what I have here is an instance of Unwriter's TXT, and it looks like a browser history, and that's exactly what it is. It's a browser history stored in TXT locally. Um, that is that are transactions that represent your browser session, monetized sessions in your browser. So these will be stored locally and you would own your own data. In this context of MoneyStream, owning your data means owning your browser session. So that's this window here. And then over here, I have an extremely buggy version of MoneyStream with should have a little bit of money left in it. So let's go and browse some monetized websites. And these do take a minute to monetize. Um, this is the boring part of the video. It We'll try to get at least one monetized session here. Um, I think you'll get the idea. So you go to a monetized website, you browse some of their content, um, you look at the videos or pictures or whatnot. I think you get the idea here. So when you end the session, it will store that in your TXT local cache for your transactions. So the idea here is that you would add context about that transaction and store it privately. So what you're doing is you're browsing someone else's content, but you are capturing your own interaction with that content. So you own that interaction. You own your browser session. So what that leads to is, since you own that interaction, you can now monetize your data, your interaction with other people's web content. You maybe don't see that yet or why anyone would be interested in this information, but that's what's going to happen. And MoneyStream and tools like TXT and Bitcoin, the ledger, those will be the tools that you use to own your own data, not just to publish it, but to interact with it, to own your interactions with other people's content. I think that's clear now. And monetize your interactions on your terms. I think you'll see that in the future and see how that can be done. There was a video with Ryan and Craig yesterday about information, and they didn't go too much into depth. But the idea is to add information, add context to your browser session to make that information more valuable than what advertisers can get from your browser history, from tracking you through the web. once you make that inversion, once your information is more valuable than what they can harvest from you, from from what you currently emit publicly, that's when the tables will turn. That's what I want to show. So this is all future stuff, but I want to get it polished off and get it ready for everyone to see. Thanks. Bye.